Hello, welcome to Phonics for the week of May 4th, 2020. Today we're going to review high frequency words, and we will also work on prefixes and homophones later this week. Let's get started. It's day one. You will need a piece of paper and a writing utensil to work on our high frequency words today. High frequency words are a lot of times words that we just need to know how to spell because sometimes we can't sound them out or they don't play fair. So we just need to know how to spell them. So let's get practicing. It's our warm-up for high frequency words. This is where I will say it. Well, you're going to say it with me. And then we're going to spell it. And then we're going to write it. And remember, if I'm going too fast and you can't write it in time, just pause me. Okay? Yep, it's no worries to me. You just pause as much as you need, okay? Let's get going. Say it. Below. Spell it. B-E-L-O-W. Write it. Say it. Country. Spell it. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Write it. Say it. Plant. Spell it. P-L-A-N-T. Write it. Say it. Last. Spell it. L-A-S-T. Write it. Say it. School. Spell it. S-C-H-O-O-L. Write it. Say it. Father. Spell it. F-A-T-H-E-R. Write it. Say it. Keep. Spell it. K-E-E-P. Write it. Say it. Tree. Spell it. T-R-E-E. Write it. Say it. Never. Spell it. N-E-V-E-R. Write it. Say it. Start. Spell it. S-T-A-R-T. Write it. Thank you for working hard today. Remember, if you need to practice these words again, just listen to it again. Have a good day. Bye.